Hi everyone. It took me by surprise. Today I want to talk about listing videos on Etsy and whether you should use them. And the short answer is yes, absolutely, because listing videos are a very small piece of the Etsy placement and ranking algorithm. So if your video or if your listing has a video and your competitors don't, then you might get a little edge up in that one section. It doesn't guarantee that you're going to be at the top of search, but it does help in the ranking. It's a piece of the puzzle. Also, customers tend to really like seeing a listing video because it can show details of the listing in person. It can show things, 360 degrees. It'll show scale if you have something in your hand. It'll show how big it is. And it's just a good way to get people to actually see the item, especially if you sell vintage. And I do listing videos in my vintage shop because if there's a flaw or something is chipped, you can show that. And then there's no question about the fact that maybe it's not a perfect item or whatever. But listing videos in general have always been shown across every e-commerce platform that does surveys and studies about this. It's always been shown to help customers make a decision about buying something or not buying it. And Etsy does use it a little bit. It's not critical, but it is a piece of the ranking algorithm. So definitely as you're packing up orders, just take a video of something and put that in the listing. Now, these videos are between 8 to 15 seconds long on Etsy, and they don't have sound. So just be aware that if you're recording something with sound, that you don't reuse that in other places, because I reuse my listing videos on Pinterest and YouTube and that kind of thing. But you need to make sure that you're editing them for the platform that you're putting them on. Don't just take a video and put it on Etsy and then say, oh, I'm going to put it everywhere else, because you'll have the TV going in the background and the dog barking. It's fine on Etsy because they don't have sound, but if you're going to reuse those videos, just make sure that you're paying attention, because it might not sound the way that you want it to. All right, so leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.